Hi, I'm Johan and I'm into technical SEO for about 15 years. And what I'm recognizing is that technical SEO is getting more and more difficult year after year because Google has implemented all this machine learning to improve their crawling processes, to improve content extraction, and to improve ranking, of course. But that's not always helpful. We see that Google isn't crawling really, really good pages or is crawling very bad pages very often. And we see that Google is displaying cookie banners in search snippets, which doesn't make sense at all. So um, we need to be better at technical SEO to understand what Google is doing there. We need to be better in our technical SEO to help Google to understand and improve their results and our pages better. So we have to do a lot as technical SEOs to help Google and to direct Google and control crawling, indexing, and parts of ranking, of course, too. So I'm really looking forward to see you in Berlin at SMX Advanced for a workshop one day discussing all these problems. How can we improve our technical SEO to help Google to better rank our pages? I'm really looking forward to it. We will discuss all things technical SEO in depth, and yeah, see you there. So, bye.